Make a big impact with the Phoenix TrueView series gas fireplace from Heat & Glow. A large glass-free view and the authentic look of a traditional wood fireplace with the convenience of gas. You'll be captivated by the beautiful logs, glowing LED ember bed, and vibrant firescape. Choose between traditional brick or modern reflective black glass interior. Ease your mind knowing a TV can be safely placed just 12 inches above the opening with no mantel. Set the mood with mild heat for year-round use. Listen to the crackle of fire or your favorite music with the optional Bluetooth speaker system for a truly immersive experience. Control it all at the touch of a fingertip with the IntelliFire touchscreen remote. Sit back and relax. Phoenix TrueView series, the convenience of gas without the glass. Heat & Glow. No one builds a better fire.